Okay, this is 419 Golden Harvest. Single family home, not a townhome. Here's your view. No construction. Two-car garage. As we enter the home, it does look like there's something on the windows, but that can be taken off. Looks like a screen. Can it be taken off? Maybe not.
Yeah.
Looks like it might be just a film, but I'm not sure.
Yeah, that's all it is.
Okay. Again, engineered hardwood floors. This would be the front office. Closes off with French doors. And can you turn this light on? This would be the dining room. Into the living room. I like your choice of music.
What's that?
I like your music.
Thanks.
Got the gas fireplace. To the kitchen, eat-in kitchen. Island. It's an electric stove. Laundry room off of the kitchen. Pantry. Downstairs, there's also a water closet. Does this go out to the garage?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And two-car garage, very large, extended two-car garage. Okay. So from the garage, you enter. Goes out to a screened-in porch. God bless you. And I'm sorry, it's very bright. I'm hoping this is going to come out okay. Oh, I don't know if it's going to come out okay or not. Trying to adjust for the light. It's so bright outside. Beautiful redbud tree. Not fully fenced in and rather small, but really pretty. I'm going to see if I can stop and take pictures to explain.